Hello everyone, my name is Twinkle. I am starting a new chapter in your biology, that is kingdom classification. Okay, as you know, there are so many living organisms are there in our world. There are so many microbes like amoeba, viruses, bacteria, okay, and jasmine rose are the different types of plants, rabbit, deer, tortoise are the different types of animals. So there are so many varieties of organisms are there in our world. So the living world is rich in variety. So and all these organisms are different in their size, color, habitat and features, etc. To study all these living organisms, we have to classify it. So why we have to classify the organism? That is making the study of them easier. For example, now you are studying science, and science has got 3 streams now, like biology, physics and chemistry. And if you are that much interested with organisms like any other organisms, if you are interested with, you can go for biology. And if you are that much interested with the chemical reactions, you can study chemistry. And if you are interested with lenses, electricity, light, all those things, you can study physics deeply. So to study the organism deeply, we should have some classification. So what is classification? Classification is a process by which anything, here we are considering it as organism. So classification is a process by which the organisms are grouped into convenient categories based on some observable characters. Okay, this is what you mean by classification. Classification is a process by which the organisms are grouping into different categories based on their observable characters. Okay, and there are 2 types of classification that basically we can tell, that is artificial system of classification and natural system of classification. What do you mean by artificial system of classification? The artificial system means that is based on the exterior similarities of the organism, how it is looks like. Okay, based on that we are classifying the organisms. That is known as artificial system. And the next one is natural system. Natural system means in which the living organisms are classified based on the structure and biochemical similarities of the organisms. Okay, that is known as the natural system. Okay, and Carlos Linnaeus is a scientist who classified the organism into 2 groups, and the groups were Plantae and Animalia. So this quality or the drawback of the classification was it was not enough to classify the organism. So we are not able to identify that particular organism is a unicellular organism or a multicellular organism. And if we are using the 2 kingdom classification, it was not enough to identify whether it is a photosynthetic organism or non-photosynthetic, whether it is a eukaryotic organism or a prokaryotic, like that. So these were not fulfilling by 2 kingdom classification. So it was not worked out. And there were so many organisms which were not including in Plantae and Animalia. Have you got it? So it is 2 kingdom classification. Who proposed that? Carlos Linnaeus. And what was the drawback? It was not enough to identify that particular organism is a unicellular or a multicellular one, or it is a photosynthetic or non-photosynthetic one, or it is not enough to identify that the organism is a eukaryote or a prokaryote. And other one is that there were so many organisms which were not coming under these 2 groups. Okay, and after that in 1969 the man R.H. Whittaker is a scientist who proposed another type of classification in an organism, that is known as 5 kingdom classification. And how the organisms were classified in a 5 kingdom classification, what are the groups, what are the criteria he was used, all those things that we are going to look in the next video. Thank you.